and it's good. I'm just gonna season my bone-in chicken. A little more pepper. Add the chicken right in. So I put the chicken skin side down, and I want to get a beautiful golden brown. Peeling one apple. Just look how golden brown that is. Put a little bit more chicken in the pan. You have to wash the rice. Bowl. When I'm thinking of fall, I'm thinking wild rice. I'm gonna dice a Spanish onion. I'm gonna smash up some garlic. I'm gonna pull the rest of the chicken out. I'm putting my onions, garlic, and apples right into the pan with the chicken fat. All right, so I'm getting my herbs ready. Woo! Our crushed tomatoes. Drop the top. Let this cook. Woo! That smells amazing. That's fall. I'm cooking some apple braised chicken thighs and wild rice right out of my new cookbook, The Simple Art of Rice.